Hi guys, today's look is youthful and vibrant for those of you who don't enjoy a very dramatic makeup. I've created this look on my lovely model Sajna. Enjoy! This is definitely my go-to foundation. I absolutely love it. It's got such a beautiful sheer coverage and I just like to apply it to the whole face, almost like a primer. And I find that other foundations, something like an HD foundation, works so well over this and it blends beautifully. I'm just going to go ahead and prime the eyelids. I like to do this so that I have something that eyeshadows can stick to. It really grabs onto the pigment. Let's go in with this beautiful corally color. I love this eyeshadow so much. It's sort of got this buttery consistency and it just blends so well. I'm just building it up until I have the shade that I want. I'm just extending this color towards the inner corner of the eye. I don't want to create a very harsh halo effect, but I do want to bring a little bit of color into the inner corner of the eye. I'm just defining the outer corner with a little bit of a darker eyeshadow, but blending it as I go. I want a soft application. I don't want any harsh lines. So I'm just adding a little bit of eyeliner. It's a powder eyeliner that I'm using, and I'm adding it right up against the lashes and just sort of smudging it out as I go, thickening it towards the outer corner. I'm just adding a shimmer to the eyelid, just to the center of the eyelid to make it pop and keep it youthful and bright. And of course, loads and loads of mascara. I will go up to 3 layers of mascara, sometimes 4. I really love it. It just opens up the eye and it just finishes off any look. I want to open the eye up a little bit more and create a fuller effect, so I'm just adding a strip lash. I'm using a damp sponge and a little bit of concealer to just lift any areas that might be a little bit dull or need a bit of lifting. I'm bringing the coral color onto the lower lash line and I'm focusing it on the outer corner and just fading it inwards. To finish off the eye look, I'm just adding a highlight to the inner corner. Now I'm creating a soft contour. I want to feather out the edges and make sure that there are no harsh lines. The blush I'm applying already has a bit of a highlight in it, so it's not necessary to highlight the high points of the face because this will actually pick that up. Sajna has already got such beautiful brows, so I'm just filling in any sparse areas and just sort of defining them a little bit more. I've decided to just go back in with a little bit of mascara on the lower lashes to open up that eye. To finish off the look, I'm just adding a pop of color to the lip.